The things patients say to you when they find out that you're Black and you're the provider that's going to be taking care of them. Yeah, so this is a rant. I deal with this on a daily basis. And if you're interested or just want to listen to my rant, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, be a part of the extraordinary family. Listen, today this is not educational at all. I am just ranting because, yeah, I just had a patient who got under my skin because they really just still don't think that Black people can be a provider. I think I'm getting to the point where I handle it a little bit better. I don't just, I don't internalize it like all day, but you guys, it does kind of just knock me off my peg a little bit, to literally be in a position where I'm caring for someone and they really don't have respect for me, right? So that's the part that just really throws me off. And because I'm in a servitude type position and I do serve and care for people, it even makes it a little bit worse because of course I can refuse to treat someone, which I have done in the past, but it's what I do, and it makes it so much harder when you have that type of spirit and heart in you, that people challenge your degree or challenge your knowledge. It really just it's a hard pill to swallow, and it's hurtful. Shame on them. Shame, shame, shame. So I'm irritated, and I thought I would share it with you because I know some of you might go through this, but keep your bearing. Keep, as they say in the military, keep your military bearing. Take the high road. But on this video, I'm just gonna rant. So some of the things that your patients say to you when they find out that you're Black and you're gonna be their provider. Things like, when you walk in the room, are you the aide? When I just clearly said, hello, I'm Dr. Braxton Barrett. I am the nurse practitioner in the clinic today. I'm gonna be taking care of you. Or things like, what school did you go to? How long did you go to school? Do you have a degree? No, seriously, guys, these are the questions that I get from patients, not really. So it comes off differently when it's from someone who is not Caucasian, which it probably shouldn't. It should still offend me altogether. But I still get that question all the time. These questions all the time. Stuff like, well, who do I talk to if I need some medication? That would be me still me. Or things like, so you can prescribe medicines? Yep. That's what I went to school for. I'm your provider. So, yeah, stuff like, hey, to make themselves feel comfortable, like, hey, my neighbor Keisha works here. Do you know Keisha? Keisha, she's Black. She's a Black nurse too. She works here. I like Keisha. She's real cool. Nope. I don't know Keisha. Just because she's African American also. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys, if you're African American provider, Black, whatever, and you get these types of things, listen guys, stop. It's crazy that we still have to deal with this type of bull crap. It's bull crap. How do you feel like, or why do you feel like people of color cannot attain a master's degree, a doctorate degree, and be smart enough to prescribe medicine, diagnose, treat, be your provider? I'm not sure where that's coming from, because listen, people, we're not going anywhere. And we actually do have a brain. We actually are smart. Hey, and another thing that I get, and I don't know if I get it because I'm from California, but people always ask me, or say stuff like, oh, you talk so proper. Oh, you're so proper. Am I proper? You guys think I'm proper? Anyway, I think I'm just regular. But anyway, that's another thing. Guys, I just am tired of it. I wish it would end. I know it won't, but I just thought I'd make this video because, listen, I get irritated all the time, and I get that all the time. I get, anyway, I'm just ranting. And then the final thing that they'll say to me, so is the doctor coming in? After I've said all the things that I say, they say, is the doctor going to come in? No. Just me, the provider, who's going to take care of you from this point forward. People, stop. Please. Get on board. Get on board. That's my rant. It's just a rant. And hey, you know, I don't know if this is happening to anybody but me, but listen, people, I don't like it. I don't like it, and I want it to stop. Which I fear that it won't. Especially the area that I work in. I work in North Carolina, so yeah, that part. But I guess, hey, we just have to keep on keeping on and getting those degrees and keep being providers and nurses and physical therapists, pharmacists, all the above, and keep it moving. Thanks for stopping by. That's my rant. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I think I'm getting to the point where I handle it a little bit better. I don't just, you know, I don't internalize it like all day, but you guys, it does kind of just knock me off my peg a little bit, you know, to literally be in a position where I'm caring for someone and they really don't have respect for me, right? So that's the part that just really throws me off. And because I'm in a servitude type position and I do serve and care for people, it even makes it a little bit worse because of course I can refuse to treat someone, which I have done in the past, but it's what I do, and it makes it so much harder when you have that type of spirit and heart in you, that people challenge your degree or challenge your knowledge. It really just it's a hard pill to swallow, and it's hurtful. And if you are going through that or go through that, all you can do is pray for these people and hope that eventually they will see different people of color as smart, equal, which I know it's a pipe dream, but at least on a different level, guys. It's just, like I said, it's heartbreaking. And I just felt like I needed to come and share that with you because it's not only is it heartbreaking, it's rude. It's just rude. And I'm handling it better than I was a couple years ago. Now that I'm more developed and more, I guess my mindset is just in the place where I'm just like, I just feel sorry for these people. I just feel sorry for people who think that they're just so arrogant to feel like there's only one race that could be smart, or only one race that could hold a certain title. That's kind of arrogant, and I just feel like it's sad. Anyway, I'm still ranting. Yeah, leave me some comments. Let's talk about it. if you've ever had that happen to you, and how you handled it. What did you do? Of course, you don't want to do anything that will jeopardize your bread and butter, but maybe there's some way that you handle it that will be helpful to others. For me, I ignore it. That's the only, I ignore it. I just, unless it's something blatant that is just like a racist comment, but I just pretty much ignore it. I keep working and I answer questions as I see fit. And sometimes I don't answer at all, but I've just learned to ignore it, block it out, compartmentalize it, and then later on deal with it. Because if I don't, I'd never get anything done. Anyway, just like I said, share with me what your situation has been, and we got to figure out how to protect our mental health and our psyche. You know, same thing, right? But we need to be able to band together to talk about these things. So I just really wanted to come in and share that with you guys. This doesn't happen all the time. I mean, well, it does happen a lot, but it sometimes hits me differently, right? So this time, it really hit me differently. I was in the room with my nurse, and who's Caucasian, and every question and everything that was asked or said was directed to her when I'm the actual provider. So that just kind of hit me a little bit differently, and yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about it and share it, show you my heart, and let you know that yeah, we're working on it. That's all we can do, guys. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification so that you get all my videos when I post. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.